Hello friends, you know about the areas of the chest wall for the cardiac auscultation? The answer is no. Then let's know about the areas of the chest wall for cardiac auscultation. There are the main 5 areas for the cardiac auscultation. The first is the mitral area and its sites of auscultation is the 5th left intercostal space just inside the mid-clavicular line. Second is the tricuspid area and its sites of auscultation is the lower end of the sternum near the ensiform cartilage. Third is the aortic area and its sites of auscultation is the second right intercostal area. Fourth is the pulmonary area and its sites of auscultation is the second left intercostal area. And fifth is the Erb's area, or is also called as a neo-aortic area, and its sites of auscultation third left intercostal area. Let's see in the diagram.